Are you a professional or do-it-yourself painter? Are you looking for the perfect technique which will save time, money, and callbacks? Looking for a method that easily removes wet paint from hardwood floors, vinyl flooring or tiles, glass or other hard surfaces? Or are you looking for a better method to set masking tape that doesn't tear the tape and provides for finer, crisper lines? There is a better solution, and you have found it. Painter's felts are made of soft, absorbent material and install quickly onto any flat tool with easy removal once the job is complete. Painter's felts easily removes wet paint, splatters on hardwood, slops and specks from vinyl or ceramic tiles, drips and dribbles on glass surfaces, and many other hard surfaces. Painter's felts also offer a better solution for setting masking tape which doesn't tear or rip the tape and provides for finer, crisper lines. Painter's felts are the perfect technique which will save you time, money, and callbacks. Because everyone enjoys a little more of this, and of course, this. Come visit us today at jenyes.com.